Hey, what is going on YouTube? HackerG7 here. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get the aged filter on TikTok. Now, it's the filter which allows you to look like an elderly person, so I'm going to show you how to do it. So first things first, you need to go to the search bar, and then here you need to search for aged filter. Now, quite a lot of options will show up. Now, I'm going to test out this filter on my 7. Let's go back. Now the one you need to look for is the top one here, aged. Now once you tap on it, it has 12.8 million videos. So once you tap on it, you have the option to add it to your favorites or use this effect. So let's select use this effect and allow. Now once you're using the effect, you simply need to tap on the screen. Let me close out of the sound and just record your face. Now once that is done, you can go ahead and post. So it's that simple. Select any one of the videos with the aged filter. You would simply need to tap on the filter option and use it to record your own video. So I hope this video was helpful and it got you to use this filter to create your own TikTok video. So thank you for watching. Hacker 7 out.